falling from God, fallen from grace. God be my witness, I never shall yield till we come face to face, till we come face to face. He knows his way in the dark, mine is the way of the Lord. Those who follow the path of the righteous shall have that reward. And if they fall as Lucifer fell, they'll flame the sword. Start in your multitude, just to be counted, filling the darkness with slaughter and light. You are the sentinel, silent and sure, keeping watch in the night, keeping watch in the night. You know your place in the sky, you hold your course and your race, and each in your season returns and returns, and is always the same. And if you fall as Lucifer fell, you'll fall in flame. Then shall we touch him, and shall we cleanse return on the doorways of paradise. Those who falter and those who fall must pay the price. Lord, let me find him, that I may see him, safe behind walls.